In the previous lecture, I have explained about references. So let us look at the demonstration for a reference. So I will go to online GDB. Okay, I will select C++ compiler. Now here I can write down C as well as C++ code. Like I have shown in whiteboard, I will declare a variable here, integer a, with the value 10. So this is going to be created inside the stack. Now integer ampersand r. See, the difference here is that you have to observe the syntax. See, when you say ampersand r at the time of declaration, when you say ampersand, it means reference. If you don't write anything, it's a variable which can store integer value. If you write star, it's a pointer variable which can store address. So once again, nothing is given, it's a variable to store integer. Star is given, a pointer to store the address. Ampersand is given, so it's a reference. And when you are declaring a reference, you must initialize it that time only. See, if I run, then what happens? I have not initialized it. Let us see what happens. See, it's an error. Declaration declared as reference but not initialized. So R is declared as reference but not initialized. So it must be initialized. Reference is another name. Yeah, it's another name. Now suppose you have a guy, your friend, best friend in your class, and your classmate decided to give some nickname to him. So first of all, you will select a person, then you assign some nickname. So nickname is R. Whose name it is? It is the name of A. So you must write A. You must initialize it. So now R means A. R means A. Alright. Now suppose the name of a person is Rajender and you are going to call him as Raj. So A is Rajender and R is a nickname Raj. Right? So the short name or nickname to this same A. So A and R are same. Alright. Now later on, you cannot change this reference to some other variable. Some students think that if I declare one more variable B and later on if I write R assign B, now R is a reference to B. No, R is not a reference to B. R will take the value of B 25 and it will store the value 25. So what is R? R is nothing but A. So A will become 25. So this is assignment. This is not initialization. This is not an initialization. So you cannot change the reference. Now R means A always. Remember it. Alright. Now I will do one thing. I'll remove these lines. I will print. So I can use printf as well as I can use cout. So I will print A and L, also R and L. Let us see what happens. I'm printing A as well as R, right? So I should get values 10 two times. Yes, 2 times I got 10. So R and A both are same. Now here, before printing, I will change the value of A to 25. So what is R? R is also 25. R is also 25. R is a reference. See, both are 25. So instead of changing A to 25, I will change R to 25. So both A and R are same. So both are same means again 25 and 25. Yes, what is printed? Both are 25. So R and A are same. So conceptually, reference doesn't consume memory. It uses the same memory of A. This is conceptually. But how compiler implements, we don't know. Right? We can't say. It depends on the compiler. But by concept, reference is just another name. It doesn't consume any memory. It is not like a pointer. Some people believe that reference is like a pointer. But C++ is also having a constant pointer. It's having a constant pointer. So reference is not a pointer. Reference is different. So if it is a pointer, then you can directly declare a constant pointer. So anyway, conceptually it is different. It means just another name of a variable. Now I will show you one more thing. I will declare variable B and I will assign this as 30 and I will assign R assign B. Now this doesn't mean that R will be a reference to B. This means that value 30 is stored in R. So 30 is stored in A. R means A itself. So both should print 30, 30. Let us check it. Yes, I got 30. So when I changed R, A is changed because A is nothing but R, right? So that's all. This is about references. So we will be using them in our program, right, wherever required. So you should be aware of references. So I suggest you to practice this once so that you get hands-on on this one. All right. So it will be easy for you to use them in the programs. So that's all in this video.